Global is top CBSE school in Nashik following American standards of education. Students enjoy 15 acres of scenic campus with horse rides, mountain trekking, archery, swimming, gardening and more. Here is Global parents' feedback about quality of education. Global is right choice for my child, 6th grade parent Madhavan said. Excellence in teaching at Global, told by Kadam parent from 6th grade. Jada from 7th grade parent said, Global has excellent teachers. We are happy about students' progress in Global, Ram 8th grade parent told us. Look what has to say by Ayushi Pandey by 6th grade parent, Global motivates to students in education. Digital classes are helpful, Neha parent from 8th grade said so. 7th grade parent Aditya told thank you Global for online classes. Well done Global, told by Gayatri Saran parent from 8th grade. Anuj 5th grade parent said, Global is quite effective. Global is using outstanding teaching methods, told by Krishna Magar parent of 8th grade. My child is rocking in Global, by Sumit Bihani 8th grade parent. Thank you parents for your encouraging feedback. Our motto is strengthen our students with 21st century skills like innovation, creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. Admission open, play group to 12th. CBSE Board. Call 9696 79 1111.